All right, you guys. This next little flow, I like to kind of go in a circle. You're going to be using your roll down bar. I have it attached to the top eyelets on my tower here. And we're going to start lying on our side. So I'm going to press both of my feet up against that tower. My right hand is in the center of that pole, making my way all the way down to my side. I'm going to tuck that left hand, cradling my head and making sure to keep my elbow facing forward. Now the goal is to really make sure you have a nice strong base. So I'm pressing energy mainly into my back arch of my foot. I'm going to take a nice big inhale, and on an exhale, I'll start to oblique curl up and then lower back down. Good. So I like to cue clients to let the springs help them. So instead of pushing down on that bar, I'm letting it lift me up. It's providing assistance here. Good. Let's do 3 more. Last 2. I'm going to hold this one at the top and just give little crunches in and in, cinching that waistline for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Okay, we're going to carefully make our way to our back. If you can, keep a hold of that roll down bar while you transition here. My hands are going to walk out to the outside of those eyelets. And then my legs are going to float up to tabletop. I'm just going to do little crunches right here. So only coming up to my T-point, just lifting my head, neck, and shoulders. Just little curls. Pressing down on that bar. It's like the bar follows my shins. Good. For 4, 3, 2, I'm going to add on. So on my next one, my legs are going to extend out to teaser, and then I'm going to press that bar down to my thighs. Good. Again, only lifting the head, neck, and shoulders for 4, 3, last 2, final 1. Okay, we're going to transition up to teaser. So I'm going to let that bar follow my shins the entire time. Take a nice big inhale to prepare. On an exhale, you're going to tuck your chin to your chest. Slowly roll up to those sit bones. And then roll down 1 vertebrae at a time back to your tabletop. Again, notice my arms stay nice and straight. Just following along those shins. Big inhale up the bottom. Exhale. Rolling all the way back down. Last one, we're going to hold at the top. Big inhale. Exhale to rise. Hold that teaser for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax. Okay, so I said we were going in a circle. We're going to make our way to our left side obliques. So, left hand will come in the center of the bar. I'll pivot. Might need to move this little guy. Making sure that my back foot is pressing into the tower. Rolling all the way down. Hips are nice and stacked here. Take a nice big inhale to prepare. Exhale, float and rise up. Good. Good. 4 more here for 4. Last 3. Final 2. We're going to hold at the top, hold it right there. Cinch that waist for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! All right, you guys. Sometimes there's no graceful way to get out of those positions. We have one more core exercise. I'm going to press my feet into those poles in front of me, grab that roll down bar. My hands go on the outside of those eyelets. Pressing down into that bar, I'm going to tuck my belly button into my spine and slowly start to roll back, one vertebrae at a time, till my head, neck, and shoulders find the mat. Take a nice big inhale here. Exhale. Tuck your chin to your chest and slowly roll up. Good. We're going to repeat. Big inhale at the top. Start to roll back. Now, many of you, your feet are going to come away from the poles. It's totally fine. I want you to still think of pressing your heels towards those poles, working in opposition here. Good. Trying to roll through every part of that spine. Exhale brings me up. Good. One more here. On my next one, I'm going to tuck and roll up to that halfway mark, hollowing out those abs. I'm just going to start to press that bar down and up for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold it down there for me. Little curls. Good. Hollow out those abs. You can haul that breath. For 4. Last 3. Final 2. 1. Roll all the way up. Release that bar. Great job. Okay.